Yeah, hello guys. Welcome back. Yeah, so this is US 500 currency. It just works the same as S&P 500, and here let's start from here. This is on Wednesday. Is when we had news. Those affected the markets heavily, and for those who are news traders, they trade based on news. That was their time. But for me, I'm not a news trader. So this day, the news those had great impact to this market, as you can see here. It was a FOMC statement, and FOMC statement. It is, for instance, it FOMC statement stands for Federal Reserve Federal Open Market Committee. Statement is the primarily that statement is the primarily tool that the panel uses to communicate with the investors about monetary policies. It contains the outcome of the vote on the interest rates. It also discusses the um, economic outlook, and it offers clues. So it offers clues on the outcome of the future votes. And yeah, so that's why you can see this in the market. And this it was on here. We have a New York Hill Zone here, this area. But this day, I was off the trades. I did not trade that day. Yeah, and here's on Thursday. On Thursday, which is yesterday, the market performed well. Let's check. Put annotations here. 8:30 there. So 11 there. This is second. This is first. And there was violation of the previous day's high. This was the first. Here is second. So, I mean, the previous day's high here was violated. It was violated there. There. And market here was consolidating. There was a break of that consolidation. Market traded lower to the equilibrium. Then after that now, market traded higher. So this in New York Hill Zone was the best time for trading. Let's put fib and check if it gave us an OTE, optimal trade entry. And there we go. That is it here. And after that, market traded higher to this area here. See what I'm meaning? This is New York Hill Zone. And this is what I mean. So the previous day's high was violated here, New York by New York session, trading lower to the OT, optimal trade entry, near equilibrium. Then after that, market traded higher to this area. So that's how market performed. And after that, now market traded lower again to this order block. Then after that, trading higher, filling this gap, fair value gap, then trading lower, consolidation. Then today we have a NFP, non-farm payroll. So it will be here during this time from that time to 11 there. Then where this time is when I'm expecting for NFP, just here at the beginning of this time session. Yeah, so um, I'm looking forward that things works well. Now let's check for the S&P yesterday how market performed. The same way as I told you here. This time here we had a FOMC meeting. This was on Thursday. I mean Wednesday. Sorry, and this is the high of that day because here you can see the next day, second here, market traded higher here, taking that um, taking that high of the day, of the previous day. Then after that, market traded higher, giving us an optimal trade entry. As you can see here, we left some gaps, like this is a fair value gap. So maybe today, NFP news might trade lower to fill the gap. Yeah, but I don't mean that. I don't say that I'm right because you can't be right 100% of all the time. So that is where the break of the previous day's high took place there. It is the time for the New York Hill Zone. Let's put, let's annotate it. 8:30 there to 11 there. Here, here the market gave us an optimal trade entry here, the equilibrium, the area below equilibrium. Equilibrium. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. It's because of my native language. That's why I'm pronouncing it this way. So Yeah, you see here, this area, market traded to that area, giving us an optimal trade entry and trading to the full of this area or this range here. You see, that was yesterday. So yesterday the market was good, it performed well, and if you missed it, don't worry, because market unfolds every single day for the traders who have edge in the market. Who have an edge in the market, the market unfolds every single day. And if you miss that, doesn't mean that you are a bad trader or you don't know what you are doing in the market. No. So again, everybody has his or her own strategy that he uses. So I'm just sharing out mine that I learned with you guys. Yeah. So I'm grateful sharing this with you guys. So and I like it when I'm sharing it with you. Let's check dollar index. This is FOMC news here. It left a gap. This is date 2. Traded high to fill this gap here. To fill that gap here. Trading lower. Now we have this gap here to fill. So this is New York kill zone here. Let's drop to the lower time frame, 5 minutes chart, and see how things are formed. And you see this gap. This gap, market gap, it got filled here. Then after that, market traded low, higher, breaking that, trading lower. Then traded high again, lower. Then after that, here, market traded higher, here, taking these buy side liquidities. Then it dropped lower, leaving a gap here. So you see this candlestick here, market trading higher, lower, giving us an OTE, optimal trade entry here at the equilibrium. Then after that, market traded higher. This is New York kill zone. So today, you see this gap, it got filled here. We have a fair value gap here between these two candlesticks here. So the market probably is moving lower to fill it. before it decides the direction to take in the market. Yeah, it's gold. Let's drop to the lower time frame. Oh, sorry, remove this one. Remember this day, talking about this fair value gap. This is a weekly chart. Market traded higher to fill that gap. Then now I'm splitting the market to trade lower. Remember? Yeah, so we might be lower, might be trading lower this month to fill this gap here. You check in monthly chart. That's how that's how it looks like. Market gap, lower, run of liquidity void, and also here we have a run of liquidity void. Then here you can see it got filled there in weekly chart. Then now the market trading lower to close this gap. Yeah. So and you see the first week will end today. So the market might be trading lower today and even from next week. So the market always consolidating here. Very big consolidation from here. Been consolidating. We have some imbalances here. The price. Yeah, and I hope everything will work well. So I know out there are some people struggling with their strategies, struggling with knowledge on what to know, on how to know the right strategy for you. But what I'm gonna tell you is that keep on working, embrace just one strategy, then work on it. You master how it functions and or how it works. Then one day, one time, you'll be proud of it, and you'll be proud of yourself, and you will really like the time you sacrificed studying and practicing in your demo account. Because what matters is not how much you lose. What matters is your how consistency and how willing you are to make yourself better. So I do believe that becoming is better than being because when we talk about becoming, it shows that there is essence of growing. There is there is growth in your life. There's growth in everything that you are doing because becoming is only that happens when there is change. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching to my YouTube channel. Keep on subscribing, and I'm grateful sharing all these ideas with you. And I pray that one day all you have been desiring for will come to accomplishment, will come to fulfillment. And I wish you good luck and good trading. Thank you. Bye bye.